All right, if you're just joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. And I am taking my dear friend Liz around to look at properties she's interested in buying, specifically in town in Vivizzano.
I wanted to show Liz the really cute apartment that I got so many comments on when I posted the video. And so many people wanted to buy it, but unfortunately, there's not good news.
Last time I was here, there was evidence of water damage, but this time there's rock solid evidence because I'm standing in a puddle.
I'm Liz Roberts and I live in Los Angeles, California. I'm looking for a house that's small and upkeep is easy. I want something that is just, you can pop in, pop out, you don't have to think about it too much, and especially a place that I can walk out the door and grab coffee in the morning.
So we're gonna take her to look at an apartment that I really like a lot. Those of you who have seen the video before, I know your comments. We have water damage in here. The water just came all the way through. That's crazy, from the terrace above. But in March, they're going to fix the terrace, according to Federico, world champion speed skater. We're going to go look at this apartment now with Liz, and I'm interested to hear what Liz has to say. Okay? Okay, Federico, fabulous realtor. Let's go.
I've seen the video before that you all did with Annette in this apartment, and the water damage concerns me. So I don't know about that, but I'm willing to go in with an open mind. After stepping about 3 steps in, the smell of the water really became prominent, and so that was troublesome.
The door was open. Questo è aperto.
No, aperto io adesso.
No, questo. Oops, aperto. Watch that step. The kitchen is adorable in this house. It's right off this adorable terrace. I know I'm saying adorable a million times, but it is adorable. I would do probably nothing to this kitchen. I would leave it as is. I would probably want to buy some of the furniture, actually.
This is very cute.
Isn't it?
Very cute.
And you can go in from the terrace. You can go into this room here. See? It's quite cute.
Very
So
cute.
my thought is this is a bedroom and it's great. You know, off the terrace, quite nice.
Yeah.
Off the kitchen, quite nice. Could also be a sitting room if you wanted. But there's a long room in there. Oh, wow. This is cool. This is amazing. This is the dining room. It's very, very cool. I don't know that I would change much in here. And so what I would do is I would push this out into that room and put a bathroom here.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
So that's a thing. Or you could make enough space that there's a little closet and a little bathroom. And that's definitely doable. Because this goes back into the kitchen.
Should we go this
And
way?
then, but there's another bedroom,
Oh.
which is even cooler. So this could be the guest bedroom. There's a bathroom over here.
Okay. Yep.
And then there's the bedroom here, which is super fucking cute, but it's full of water damage.
Wow.
I mean, come on. Yeah, we know where it's coming from.
Yeah.
We want to know when it's going to be fixed. Quando reparare questo?
A maggio.
Maggio. Oh, in May, not in
May.
March. Okay, May. In May, supposedly. So I would not buy this space until next year.
Yes, it is very cute. Also full of water.
Here's the other deal. I mean, these are all the things I think about. So they fix it. What happens if it leaks again? What happens if it's not a good job that they've done? So this is a very iffy situation. And as cute as it is, probably not what I would buy.
No.
But it's very cute.
Very cute.
And the terrace is cute, and the kitchen is cute, and the living room is cute. Let me show you the dining room, it's very cute. The floor plan's lovely, but too many issues.
This is so cute.
Isn't this cute? But see what I'm saying is you can come in. Doesn't have to be. But isn't this, it's so cute.
It's really cute.
Yeah, that's great. And then you got a bar right there.
Yep.
It's not a loud bar, I will say. It's not a party bar.
Yeah.
So I was excited to show this to Liz, and she walked in and she got it. I mean, she was like, oh, this is really a cute space. However, she is very sensitive to mold, to any kind of smells.
I'm so
cute
sensitive
is
to
this?
mold. Let's really
Wrap it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've seen this property again. Liz has seen it for the first time in person. She didn't love it. I get what she's saying. And we think it's cute, but I don't think it's for us. So if you've made it this far, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next house. Peace.
ciao.
When we left the apartment, Federico said he had a surprise for us. What could it be? Federico, could this be Liz's dream property?
Oh,
Oh,
let's buy this.
wow.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. Yeah, this is really fun. I'm really surprised. I wasn't expecting this.